Testnet 10 is live on Caspa. We're closer to 10 blocks per second than we have ever been. Yet people are so worried about the price of Caspa. Guys, we got smart contracts. We've got stable coins. We've got so much more coming to the network. Live just yesterday was TN10. And I'm going to give you a timeline on when 10 blocks per second will be live on mainnet. We're also going to go over the recent price action of Caspa. And hey, I'm not just saying this. I'm putting my money where my mouth is, guys. We're going to get into everything Caspa and more. I love you all. This is never financial advice. Guys, I'm getting more and more bullish on Caspa every day. The fastest open source, decentralized, fully scalable layer 1 in the world. It is true, and they are making advancements on all of their promises. As you can see right here, Testnet 10 hard fork HF containing crescendo transition logic is published from 1 blocks to 10 blocks starting on Testnet 10. The full online mainnet upgrade is tentatively planned for the end of April or early May. And a lot of people are saying, hey, why don't we just go ahead and do it? Well, guys, you want to make sure it is a flawless transition. That is how we get investors and builders onto the chain to start building on Caspa, leaving Sui, leaving Ethereum, leaving Solana, coming to the best proof of work chain. And I do think that very, very soon people will realize what can be done on Caspa. Everyone understands that proof of work is the most secure, yet it's always been thought that the trilemma could not be solved, but Caspa did solve the trilemma, and I truly believe that Caspa is going to pass up Solana and eventually Ethereum. They have solved the trilemma, and we are getting closer and closer to proving that. As you can see right now, we're about 2 transactions per second, 1.1 block per second, but we are going to 10 blocks per second. But guys, like I said, I'm not just talking. Like I said right here, and this was a joke, guys, but I really did acquire about 102,000 Caspa at about 8 cents a piece. And I said right here, I only made this post to be funny and sound like the Temu or Alibaba version of Sailor. And y'all know that I bought another 100,000 when we hit 0.075 recently. So I'm buying all the way down. I could have bought as low as 0.069, but I went ahead and bought right here. And then right here yesterday, I bought another 32,000 Caspa, guys. So I'm working up the ladder. I'm trying to get as much Caspa at these prices as I possibly can. But I just show you this to say, I'm not just telling you that I believe Caspa is a real deal. I think it's the real deal. I think it's the best deal. But, and none of this is ever financial advice. I just want you to know that I am truly doing what I say I believe. But I want to show you something right here. Smart money and dumb money. Guys, dumb money is retail who sells when they get scared. They bought at 10 cents, it went to 80 cents. Oh my gosh, I lost 20%. And smart money is people who invest in the long term. And I want to show you something that could potentially be dumb money. People leaving the Caspa network right here because the price is down. You can see transaction count back in December was about 1 million transactions a day. And that went all the way down since the very beginning of February to about 120,000 transactions a day. But what has happened with the hash rate? This is miners investing in mining equipment. Remember, this is proof of work, not proof of stake. Securing the network, and this red line that I put is approximately the same time frame that we looked at on the other chart here into the right. And you can see we've had some people go offline, others come online, but net overall, we are very consistent at 1.3 exahash. I know a lot of people are worried, hey, we're losing miners. Guys, 6 months ago, we were at 500, 600 petahash. So we are going a long way. And people are investing a lot of money in mining equipment to secure the network. But what's even crazier is when we look at the Block Explorer, we are already 90% mined. So the only reason people are mining right now is to get that last 10% or secure the network because they are counting on fees. And if they are counting on fees right here by mining even more than what they are counting on is the fact that this price is going to go up as a matter of people using the network. Transactions go up, therefore fees go up. But we got a lot of very bullish things going on in the overall crypto market. I know right now people are macro scared. We got tariffs, we got this. Guys, I get it. It's not good. I wish everything would go up. I expect a KASPA to be at 50 cents by now. But the fact that I'm able to buy more at these prices is a blessing. I will welcome 5 cents over the next coming days. I don't think it's necessarily coming, but I will welcome it. But what else do we have going on, guys? And before we get to what I just showed right there, snake peek, I want to show we've got the Bitcoin Strategic Reserve, guys. This is the crypto reserve that we're going to talk about in a later video. But these are some of the people that are representing at the White House. We've got Michael Saylor. We got Vlad. He's the CEO over at Robinhood. And then Brian Armstrong, the CEO at Coinbase. These are some of the most vocal people in all of the world in crypto, yet they have still not gotten involved with KASPA. Well, when they realize that KASPA is truly the silver to Bitcoin's gold, it is proof of work. It can do all the transactions and more than Ethereum. It's got EVM capabilities, and we got stable coins coming. I truly believe they are going to flock. But now I want to highlight some more stuff that's going on in the KASPA ecosystem. This right here is CAS domain names, and these are some of the ones I personally bought in my public wallet. You can see artificial intelligence agent.cash, real world asset.cash. I've got Freeman.cash. I've also got Finance Freeman and Freeman Finance.cash that I will assign to my public wallet. We've got TradingBot.cash, Mark Cuban.cash, and Kardashian.cash. So if the Kardashians or Mark Cuban want it, come over here, talk to me. We can make a transaction. But guys, I want to highlight some good projects in the KRC20 ecosystem that I really am a fan of. None of this is paid today. I'm just saying this is stuff I honestly like, guys. Kango. The dev behind Kango is one of no other. He is highly respected in the space. And if we take a look at it right here, the charts looking good. Even though they are down from the all-time high, they're currently sitting at a $4.7 million market cap. When we go down here even more, we've got Croak now sitting at number 9th, guys. I absolutely love this. I am a Croakian till I die. Right here, sitting at less than a $600,000 market cap. You can see right here just how undervalued these are. When the leading coin on KRC20 is less than $9 million, guys, I truly believe KASPA is going to have a run for its life. The reason people like Solana is because it's extremely cheap to trade on. You can trade in, you can trade out. KASPA is exactly that. But once we get smart contracts, we're going to have an actual decentralized exchange, and that's when we see the masses flooding in. But we've also got NFTs, and the leading NFT collection is a KASPunks. This is obviously a derivative of CryptoPunks, but you can see the floor is sitting out right here at $5,000, and we've got some of them selling, actually selling, not just listed, for over 100,000 CAS, guys. So that's actually amazing to see. We've got some really good ones over here, guys. Gold is actually minting as we speak. We got KASPA'S right here. I really like this, guys. This is for anyone bullish on KASPA. I've got 2 of them. I'll put a snip right here of the X post that I made, but I think that's a really good collection as well. But when we move over here, I do want to highlight something. We got Croak has an NFT collection as well. They're giving away $75,000 worth of giveaways. You can see there's only about 700 or 800 NFTs left to be minted. They're at 1466 out of round 1 of 2300. There's a golden Croak in here that I believe is worth 10,000 CAS. There's also a few one-of-ones that have not been found, guys. So this is another good collection by the 9th overall meme coin on the space. But let's take a look at KASPA right here. We have some very curious things happening. We're getting a lot of these updates down here. As you can see, KASPA'S testnet 10 is enhancing its generation capability from 1 to 10 blocks per second. Remember, Binance owns coin market cap. Guys, we're still waiting on that big Binance listing, but currently KASPA is sitting at 47th in overall market cap at less than a $2 billion MC and around 7.5 cents. When we break the price down a little bit more, we could see that we did get another lower low right here. Like I said, we got to right underneath 7 cents, but now we are forming something pretty good right here, guys. I'm going to be trending this right here to see where it goes. We'll probably just keep on going like this. Maybe we get a breakout whenever we come over here to the Bitcoin Strategic Reserve meeting that they're going to be having on Friday. We just have to really look out. But if we're not at the bottom, I truly believe we are fairly close to the bottom. The lowest that I see us going is right underneath 5 cents and then instantly wicking back up to 7 cents. I do not see us having a floor underneath 5 cents, even though when a lot of people thought that we could not go below 10 cents, I thought we could go below 10 cents, and I thought we could have sustained below 10 cents because I'd seen this big gap here for a long time. Now, this has nothing to do whether I'm bullish on KASPA long term or not. This just has to do with looking at the chart, looking at the overall market sentiment, and thinking what I think the chart is going to do. But guys, let me know. Testnet 10 is here. Within a month, we're going to have online 10 blocks per second. I'm so bullish. I can't wait. I want to buy more KASPA, but I want to know, have you been scooping up more KASPA at these low prices, or are you all out of funds from buying the dip that kept on dipping? Watch this video up above, and if you're not a part of the Freeman Finance family, what are we doing? Subscribe. I love you all.